There are few places on Earth where modern skylines rise just a short drive from untamed wilderness. A country where elephants roam beneath snow-capped mountains, where ancient cultures meet 21st century innovation, where nature and progress exist side by side. Welcome to Kenya, the gateway to East Africa, a nation of more than 50 million people, blessed with breathtaking landscapes, extraordinary wildlife, vibrant cities, and an infrastructure revolution that is transforming the country. Today, we take to the skies to discover Kenya from above, rising over 1,700 meters above sea level. Nairobi is unlike any capital city in Africa, known as the Green City in the Sun. It combines modern architecture with expansive parks and tree-lined avenues, home to more than 5 million people. High above the streets, the Nairobi Expressway stretches across the capital, an engineering landmark that has transformed urban mobility. What once took hours can now take minutes. Nairobi's skyline continues to evolve. Modern towers reach toward the sky. International companies establish regional headquarters. New developments reshape entire neighborhoods. Beyond the capital, Kenya is investing in technology cities, industrial parks, and smart urban planning, preparing not only for today's needs, but for tomorrow's opportunities. Kenya's transformation extends far beyond its cities. Modern highways now connect regions that were once separated by difficult journeys. Every road tells a story. Every bridge shortens distances. Every railway creates opportunity. The standard gauge railway links Nairobi to the port of Mombasa, moving passengers and cargo efficiently between the coast and the country's interior, along the Indian Ocean. Yet despite its rapid development, Kenya has never lost sight of its greatest treasure, nature. Across the country, wildlife still roams freely. Elephants, lions, giraffes, rhinos, zebras. Every year, millions of wildebeest cross the Mara River in one of the greatest wildlife spectacles on Earth. The Great Rift Valley cuts dramatically through Kenya, creating breathtaking escarpments, lakes, volcanoes, and fertile farmlands. Along the coast, white sandy beaches meet the warm waters of the Indian Ocean. Ancient Swahili towns preserve centuries of history, while coral reefs support vibrant marine life. Deep forests shelter rare wildlife. Waterfalls cascade through mountain valleys. Every region offers something unique. From the bustling streets of Nairobi to the open plains of the Masai Mara, from the shores of Lake Victoria to the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, Kenya tells a story unlike any other, a story of resilience, innovation, diversity, and hope. This is more than a destination. It is a nation constantly evolving, a country building for the future while honoring its extraordinary heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey above Kenya. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.